Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll show you my LeadHunter AI demo. And this is a powerful tool, right? The lead enrichment and AI outreach tool built with HTML, Tailwind CSS, Python-like backend logic, and a server scraper. Now let's dive right in. As you can see, I've already opened the code or the lead scraper. Going to go to that dashboard, and let's go to the main screen. Okay. And let's close that out. Let's open it directly. You can open it in several ways. You can drag and drop by going to the folder, drag and drop it to your preferred browser, or you can right click, open with, and the browser that you want to open the app. But the thing that we're going to use is to right click on the index.html, open with live server, right? And then, yeah, as you can see here, here's the home page. All right, and the home page here is our. I mean, you will notice the clean UI with Tailwind CSS, and you can navigate to the dashboard, or you can click on the AI outreach here, or up on the upper right dashboard in the AI outreach, and you will see that you are on the home page. If the demo text is currently highlighted, right, or is selected. And then the homepage explains the features, like for instance, quick start guide, and this being powered by SerpAPI powered searches. It's a client-side enrichment and AI outreach template. And the SERP API is here. It has 250 searches. Here's my API key. And then you can have your own API key. It's only for 250 searches, and it's free. It's free. You can just get the API by just putting your email and then your phone number, all right? And that's I mean you can get it. You can test your code if you have your own code, and if you have your own interface, you can also do that. Now I'm just going to copy my API and then go to my home page, and then let's go to the dashboard. Okay, now on the dashboard, you can enter any search query here. As you can see on the placeholder, the plumbers, Salt Lake City. You don't have to put Utah because Salt Lake City is in Utah. Okay, now then click on the search. So right now we're going to, you can see three service in Spokane, Washington. Let's say construction. Okay, construction near me, and then put a comma, and then let's say Dallas. Okay, Dallas, Dallas, Texas. Okay, and then you can click on search. But before you do a search, you can click on the settings. Okay, you can see here I have another SERP API key. You can get more API key as you can as you if you need more API key. You have 1,000 API key. That's okay. You can get it. You can just put a subscription in SERP API for 10 if you want, unless I mean the only exception is to put a different phone number or a cell phone number or a phone number. Okay, and put all the cell phone numbers that you have. Okay, if you have five cell phone numbers, better because you can get 1,250 searches. Okay, and searches is not something like if you search here, right? If you're going to search, let's cancel that. Okay, hold on. Going to put my new, click on OK, and then here, to make sure. Okay. All right. Now, if you're going to search here, right, and you get 10, first 10 data that you get, that will not going to count as 10 searches. It's only for one search. So if you have 1,250 searches in SERP API here. So if you're going to search one, it will going to deduct only one on that searches. Okay, and if you have 250, so you only get deducted with one search, right? So that's good, right? So yeah, if we're going to search now right now. All right, we got some, as you can see, we also get Yelp.com. So you don't have to worry about that because you don't have to enrich this kind of search or this kind of data. You can just get the other data here on the lower portion. Okay, you can load more. Let's click on load more. As you can see here, you will see the scroll down. I mean the scroll bar. You can click on. You'll notice that we're going to shrink. Let's click on more. As you can see, it shrink, and we can scroll down a little bit. You can see all the data here, and then we can enrich everything. After the enrichment, you can save leads and export them to a CSV for your campaign. Okay, the setting model lets you paste your SERP API. As you can see, I paste the my search API in here, and then this keeps your search authenticated and personalized. Okay, and then we can click on enrich all. So you can see 19 data has been searched. And then later on, I'm going to show you the number of searches that we use in SERP API. Remember, we search two, right? Because we click on load more. So that's two already. Okay, we search for construction near me, Dallas. That's one part. We click on search and then we click on more earlier, and that's two, right? Okay, all the as you can see here, I already have some of the searches, right? I've already saved that leads, and I didn't export it because I'll export that later on because I'm also doing lead data generation to a certain client, and they need the data right now only for the emails and the company names, the address, and also the website, their website, right? And also the email address. They need the email address real quick. All right, we're going to stop here at 5, and then you can pause it, but we're going to stop it right now. Okay. All right. Let's stop. And you can do this since we don't need Yelp. Okay. And then hold on. Let me save that right now. You can just save it here. Save. Structure tone southwest. Structure tone southwest. Okay. Current projects. Dallas. Okay. Save. Save. Save it. That's it. Okay. Right. It's right down here. Okay. So if you want to reach out to them, you can go to the AI outreach page. Okay. Here. Right. And they are all in here. All right. They're all in here, and then you can click on the tone of the message that you want going to send, right? And if you have an Open API key, right, for OpenAI, just paste it here so that you can customize the message that you have, and you can just copy, save it to a lead, all right? You can also expand this, right? And yeah, that's the, I mean, this is the kind of logic that we have. Let's open that up, casual, generate, you can see here. So you can see, by the way, the backend server scraper for the phone number and the executive names are not yet attached to my code, right? I'm going to do that later on, and I just want to show this to you because you might get interested. Okay, and the backend logic is here. This is the server side logic or the scraper. So you can see here it's currently in the it's currently in the code, but it's just a basic script. We haven't done the part where we're going to scrape the or extract the phone number and the executive names, C-suite or owner, founder, president, vice president, all the C's. Okay, we can get that. I'm still working on those code, and later on I'm going to update my I'm going to upload another video for this demonstration. All right. So that's it. I mean, yeah, you can. I mean, this is the full walkthrough of the Lead Hunter AI from a front-end dashboard to back-end scraping logic or magic. If you're interested in building your own AI-powered lead tool, the code is a great starting point. All right, if you are interested with this kind of code or this kind of project, please subscribe to my channel or like the video, or if you have any kind of comments at all, just send me an email or write down below in the comment section. Okay? Until the next video, thank you very much.